What is going on, guys? It is your guy James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys 3 reasons why you need to cop the Yeezy 700 V3 Dark Glows right now. And don't forget to follow your guy on Instagram. The details are in the description below. Thank you guys for your support. The Yeezy Dark Glow 700 V3s dropped on August the 2nd on Yeezy Day on the Confirmed app. These drop for $200 USD and only in adult sizes. Let me tell you guys, Yeezy Day was a disaster, just in case you guys wanted to know. Yeezy supply was supposed to protect us from bots. No, they didn't. They instead protect us from manual users. Yes, I was literally locked out the website more than half the day. These kicks are equipped with infinity laces. If you was to buy this sneaker, it does come with an extra set of regular shoelaces, just in case if you don't like the infinity shoelaces like me. The tongue of the sneaker is actually made with a synthetic mesh, and on the toe box it does have this unique fang-like design on it. That's one of my favorite parts of any Yeezy sneaker. It just makes the sneaker look ferocious. The sneaker does have a prime knit base equipped with the Eva midsole, so it does not have the usual Yeezy boost. The Eva midsole is basically like a synthetic foam. And lastly, these sneakers have rubber cages on the outside of the sneaker. Now I know what you're wondering with this all black sneaker. Why would I buy this sneaker when I already have the Alvas? I'll tell you why. The difference between these and the Alvas is that while these are both all black sneakers, they both have glow in the dark rubber cages with different colors. The first reason why you need to buy this sneaker is because it is an all black sneaker. All black sneakers are incredibly easy to style. How I like to style is that I pick the sneaker first and I like build my wardrobe, my outfit around my sneaker. But when you're trying to style an all black sneaker, you can literally just put on anything will work with all black sneakers. And one thing about all black sneakers is that when people see you wear all black sneakers, they fear you. Thanks to Giannis winning that NBA championship wearing all black forces, we definitely are in there with the all black sneaker gang now. The second reason why you should cop this sneaker is because this sneaker is one of the most comfortable Yeezys ever been manufactured. Yeah, I said that. As a company, if you're going away from the Adidas Boost that took you years to build, you better come with something better. And I think the Eva midsole is better than the Boost midsole. I do. But I must warn you, if you're wearing the 700 V3s for the first time, these fit very, very snug, even tighter than the 350s. So I highly recommend, no matter what size you are, I highly recommend for you to go a half size up. These are not true to size, and if you buy your true to size within an hour, your feet will literally be balled up. You'll be walking around with numb feet. You won't be able to feel your feet, I promise you. Go a half size up. Trust me on this. And the last reason why you should buy this sneaker is because this sneaker is going for the low right now on the resale market. Depending on size, this sneaker is going for about $210 to about $300 roughly. And of course, you got the big sizes, you know, the huge Shaq sizes that's going for about $600. Because they only made about 2 pairs, so that's why it costs that much. But the general sizes is usually around $210 to about $300 USD, and it's really not that bad. That is actually a bargain for Yeezys. And one thing about all black Yeezys is that they all go up in value over time, especially every last single black on black sneaker. The utility black 700s, the Vanta 700s, they're all going for a crazy amount of resale price right now. And the Cinder 350s, the 350s that everyone hated, they're going for a nice amount resale as well too. So all black Yeezys always go up in value, and I predict these will be going up over $300 in the upcoming months. I guarantee it. So if you never rocked Yeezys before, or you just never was able to buy a 700 V3, I highly suggest you buy this one, the Dark Glow V3s. There goes the video. Make sure you guys let me know, how do you feel about this sneaker? Were you able to buy the sneaker on Yeezy Day, or are you thinking about even buying the sneaker resale? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.